Welcome to CSA Appliance, guys. Today we're going to be teaching you guys how to change a drain pump on a Whirlpool washer. This also works on many Kenmore, Roper, Estate, and many other brands that are made by Whirlpool. Alright, so first you got to take these two screws off. And you lift the back panel up. Lift that top panel up. Now you get you a flathead screwdriver. You remove those clips. There's two brass clips. You just use your flathead screwdriver and pull back. Next, remove the wiring harness that goes to your lid switch. Now you remove the cabinet. Careful. Just move it straight forward and put it to the side. Now get your flathead screwdriver again, and you're gonna remove the two retainer clips. You can now pull the pump off. The pump will have two hoses on it. Grab your pair of pliers or a pair of channel locks and remove the two clamps off the pump. You can use your channel locks to loosen the hoses off the pump. They're stuck on there. Makes them a lot easier to come off sometimes. If you're a factory certified part, the link will be down below. This is what the pump will look like. Our pumps carry 1-year warranty. Put the hoses back on the pump the same way they came off. Grab the clamps with the channel locks again and put them back to their original position. Now you may see that the pump may be having a hard time going on. That's because the shaft may not be parallel with the opening on the pump. So you want to make sure that they both have the same position by moving both of them to the up and down position to make it easy. Make sure the pump pushes in all the way so the clip goes on and snaps on there the way it should. Put the top clip on there also. There you go. Now you want to put the cabinet back on the washer the way it came off.